Hey there, how is it going? Welcome to today's video. Here we are going to fix the parking brake. We have new brake shoes, so we are opening up the rear brakes and replacing the brake shoes and seeing if there's something broken or jammed in the adjustment.
Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges and fun of living in a self-made camper van. Welcome aboard!
The problem is that this handle travels too far up when we put the parking brake on. And I got a note from it from the annual inspection. It's not serious. I don't need to go back to the annual inspection, but I still need to get this one fixed. So let's count how many clicks does this travel upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
This is our reference. Now let's go to work. As usual, this is a team effort and includes requests.
I think I just lost the pressure from the lifting jack.
Quick fix to the hydraulic oils and let's go again.
We already practiced with the other side. We disassembled the whole rear brake and, well, the summary was that one broken bolt. But otherwise it went quite okay. And now we are going to film this side. Hopefully it will go a little bit smoother and you will see how we replace the brake shoes.
We needed to detach only one sensor connector. The brake caliper bolts were very tight and at least our power tools didn't fit. After more chemicals and longer tools, they opened. We didn't need to change the brake pads, so I just detached the caliper. Luckily, the previous owner had applied some anti-seize paste and the brake discs were quite new, so they weren't stuck.
Let's take out the small springs in the, if you look at the clock 12 and 6 o'clock. Push this in and turn and then they come out. They seem okay.
Next, I released the tension of the parking brake adjustment piece.
Oops, and there it is. Not as smooth as it was from the other side, but now I know what it contains, so I knew how to take it out. It's simple structure, only a screw, which is a little bit dirty. I need to clean and lubricate it again, probably with a copper paste. And here I can also see some contaminants. It's not as clean as it was in the other side, so I'm gonna clean everything so it functions smoothly.
Finally, it was time for the rear and front springs. This really isn't the most elegant day at the workshop.
Well, that worked. Not as I planned, but well, I got it detached. It has these small hooks and of course spring and the straight part here where the handbrake cable is, and on the other side where the adjustment piece is, like this way. here is the shorter spring, which is a full spiral all the way.
As usual, cleaning, inspecting and lubricating took some time.
We are not going to replace these. We are going to clean them and put them back there because these are brand new practically.
Extra pair of hands is very useful in this phase.
Now we can put this one in, the adjuster piece.
We double-checked the symmetry of the brake shoes and assembled the rest of the rear brake. We adjusted the tension of the brake shoes symmetrically on both sides until the wheel hubs stopped turning. Then we released the tensioners a little bit until the wheel hubs started rotating again.
Time to continue with the fine-tune adjustment. As you see, the parking brake cable is very loose. But it's good to see the whole system and check if there's something jammed or broken, not only to adjust this fine-tune nut. Ta-da! 9 clicks. We are not perfectly happy with the tension because the right side is still a little bit softer than the left side. I guess if we replace the brake discs, that will help out because now the brake disc is a little bit worn out on the right side. Let's count how many clicks we get. It's quite tight. It's very tight. Come on, I don't have any strength left. Yeah. Okay, let's count how many clicks. Remember, it was 13 clicks before we started, so I'm expecting 7 or 8 clicks now. With my powers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 it is. Okay, much more sensible number than in the beginning. So I guess the repairs are done according to the inspector's wishes, and we can finally go to sleep. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!
If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time!